Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Subaru Forester. It is a 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder EJ20 with an automatic transmission. It comes with 13,506 original miles. It is 4-wheel drive. It comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away, and it comes with that interior trunk cover. It is removable if you do not want it. All right, let's take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, this vehicle does come in kilometers. The number you're seeing down here, 21,768. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 13,506. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. It really does mean the world to us. We do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Y'all have a blessed and safe day, and thanks again.